Hey, how you doing? This is Sai from Affiliate.com and I'm back with another video. So today we're just out and about doing some shopping. I'm just waiting around in the car with the kids here. So, and say hello.
Hello.
So his mum's just shopping and I'm just waiting in the car. So I thought, let me just record this video for you. So today we're going to talk about how to use bridge pages to increase your affiliate commissions. Okay. So if you're looking to boost your affiliate conversions or even just want to add some strategies to increase your affiliate income, then one particular proven strategy that you can deploy is to potentially increase your conversions is to make use of a bridge page. So what is a bridge page in affiliate marketing? A bridge page is simply a web page that sits between your landing page and your affiliate link offer page. Okay, the bridge page is typically displayed to the video as soon as they've subscribed to your email list. Okay, so the purpose of a bridge page when it comes to affiliate marketing, one thing that you don't have control over, unfortunately, is the sales page. Okay, the content of the sales page or the affiliate offer that you're promoting. Okay, so the bridge page allow you to have a little control in an indirect way and gives you the opportunity to add some value, talk about the product in your own way, pitch your way if you like as well, and your perspective of the product that's being sold. That's the one that the product that you're promoting. Okay, so here's some important benefits of an affiliate bridge page. So you can pre-frame and warm up the visitor, also useful when someone has never heard of you, when you're advertising to cold traffic, cold audiences that never heard of you. Okay, so you can introduce yourself, which we'll talk about a bit later. You can try and get them more interested in what they're about to be exposed to, which of course is the affiliate offer that you're promoting. It can be a logical continuation from your landing page. It can add more value and congruency with the offer that you're offering on the landing page. For example, if it's a lead magnet, a piece of information. Okay, you can even use a bridge page to promote products from a different niche and angle, even though the product doesn't directly target or suit your audience. Okay, so for example, let's say your niche is to help your audience invest in stocks and shares. Okay, you can also potentially promote a trading product such as grow your income in forex trading. Okay, although it's different in forex trading, it's just it's still in trading, right? It's still making money in some way, right? So you can do this by explaining in a bridge page that they can learn and use forex trading and profit from $1 trillion forex market, and you can further go on to explain that just like stocks and shares, that they can diversify and add an additional income stream to their portfolios by trading in forex. You then of course introduce them to the offer on the next page, which will be your affiliate link offer of the forex trading product that you're promoting. Okay, that will be following the bridge page. Okay, you'll have your landing page, your bridge page, and then you'll have your offer page. So the bridge page content could be in the form of text, video, and even audio. However, many marketing experts agree that video tends to be the recommended format as it can convert better. Your audience can feel more connected with you, thus contributing towards the know, like, and trust. Okay, if you're not comfortable with having your face on the screen, you're not comfortable recording videos for bridge pages, then you can simply use PowerPoint, software like PowerPoint, or even the free Google Slides app, which is the equivalent of PowerPoint, and just create some text slides on the screen and simply record your voiceover over it and just read what it says on each slide. Okay, so that's one way you can do it without putting your face on the screen, right? What to do and talk about in an affiliate bridge page. So let's talk about that now. As the bridge page has a specific purpose, you have to include content.
I'm having a song video.
You have to include content that is alignment with the purpose of the bridge page. Okay, and have content that is relevant and necessary. Okay, with that said, let's go through some key pieces of information to have in a bridge page. So the first thing is to briefly introduce yourself, okay, in a friendly, polite manner, so that they know you, they know that you're a real person, you're a genuine person, you're a friendly guy or girl or woman. Okay, some brief introduction to the offer. Demonstrate the product if you can, review the product, an endorsement of the product for yourself, testimonials of the product if possible, how the product will benefit them, benefit your audience, your prospect, your own beneficial results and outcomes. If you've used the product, you got some results from it, you can include that. You can say how it's benefited you, your results. You can maybe show your results as well. Your bonuses, if you're offering any bonuses for the product, that really helps increase your conversion as well. If you also got some nice unique bonuses that complement and enhance the product that they may purchase, you can add those bonuses. Okay. Final thing that you'd have is the what to do next, what they need to do next to, you know, take up on the offer or learn more about the offer. And this is going to, of course, will be a call to action. Okay, a button just below the bridge page video, you'll have a call to action button, say to learn more or continue on. Okay, so that's it. There you have it, the inner workings of an affiliate bridge page. An affiliate bridge page has proven in many cases to improve affiliate conversions by having just one additional page in your funnel. Okay, it's worth, you know, taking the extra effort to create a solid bridge page, because once you have that you know, great bridge page with some good you know, important content that we've just discussed, you only need to create it once and can profit from it 24/7, as it will serve as your own automated mini sales machine, you know, on the online, on the internet, that personally endorses and recommends the affiliate product by yourself. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like some free affiliate resources to build your affiliate business online, visit affiliateship.com/free. Okay, that's it for now, and that's all for the video. Say bye.
Bye.